Good evening, students. I have already learned you asexual reproduction in plants. Today, I am discussing with you some important question answers of this topic. In question number 1, you see offsets are produced by, here you see 4 options. The right option will be D, that is mitotic division, because offsets are produced asexually. They show asexual reproduction, and asexual reproduction asexual reproduction occurs through mitosis. So the right option will be 1D, mitotic division. Question number 2. Which of the following flowers only one in its lifetime? Here you see 4 options. The right option will be 1 or A, that is bamboo species. Now question number 3. Which one of the following statements is not correct? Here you see 4 options. The right option will be question number C. In potato, banana and ginger, the plantlets arise from the internodes present in the modified stem. This answer is right, because in potato, banana and ginger, plantlets arise from the buds, not from the internodes. Now in question number 4, which one of the following generates new genetic combinations leading to variation? Here you also see 4 options, but the right option will be C, that is sexual reproduction, because in sexual reproduction genetic combination occurs. Now question number 5. In question number 5, you see which of the following pairs is not correctly matched. Here the answer will be D, that is binary fission and sargassum. This option is not correctly matched. In question number 7, in ginger, vegetative propagation occurs through, here you also see 4 options, but the right option will be B, that is rhizome, because ginger is also called rhizome. Rhizome is one type of underground modified stem. Now in question number 8. In question number 8, you also see 4 options. First, I read the question. Appearance of vegetative propagules from the nodes of plants such as sugarcane and ginger is mainly because, the right answer will be B. Nodes have meristematic cells. You know, meristematic cells are always in growing condition. So this option is right. Now question number 9. Amoeba and yeast reproduce asexually by fission and budding respectively because they are, here you also see 4 options, but the right option is they are unicellular organism. that is C. 9C is the right option because in unicellular organism we see fission and budding. Now in question number 10. There is no natural death in single-celled organisms like amoeba and bacteria because here you also see four options, but the right option is C because parental body is distributed among the offsprings. We know that unicellular or single-celled organism there is no death because parental body is distributed among the offsprings. Now question number 11. There are various types of reproduction. The type of reproduction adapted by an organism depends on. Here you also see four options, but the right option is D because the organism's habitat, physiology and genetic makeup. Their types of reproduction depend on these three characteristics. Question number 12. The term clone cannot be applied to offspring formed by sexual reproduction because the right option is A. Offspring do not possess exact copies of parental DNA. Now question number 13. Identify the incorrect statement. Here you see four statements, but the incorrect statement is option B. Zoospores are sexual reproductive structures. No, they are asexual reproductive structures. Now question number 14. Few statements describing certain features of reproduction that are given below. Here you also see four options. The right option is number C. Reduction division takes place. There are also some other questions that is medical inferences from the medical inferences question. Now question number 1. Question number 1. Here you see here you see which one of the following statements is not correct. Offsprings produced by the asexual reproduction are called clone. Microscopic motile asexual reproductive structures are called zoospores. In potato, banana and ginger, the plantlets arise from the internodes present in the modified stem. Water hyacinth growing in the standing water drains oxygen from water that leads to the death of fishes. So here the answer is C. C is not a correct statement. Now question number 2. Which one of the following generates new genetic combination leading to variations? Here the answer is C. That is sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction we can see genetic combination. Now question number 3. Stalk and scion are used in. The answer will be the option B, that is grafting. Now question number 4. In ginger, vegetative propagation occurs through. Here the answer will be A, rhizome, because ginger is a modified stem and it is called rhizome. Now question number 5. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Here the answer will be C, that is binary fission and sargassum. Now question number 6. Which of the following process ensures the continuity of life on earth? Options are reproduction, respiration, digestion, growth and development. The answer is A. Question number 7. Match the following columns. Here you see A. Binary fission, 1 algae, zoospore, amoeba, conidium, hydra, budding, penicillium, Gemmule, sponge. The right option will be B. You can choose the answer from codes. Below the question you see codes A, B, C, D, E. The right code is B. Now question number 8. The internal buds of freshwater sponges are, the four options are canocyte, Gemmule, osculum, blastula. The right answer is Gemmule. Gemmule is one type of bud we can see in freshwater sponge. Now question number 9. Gemmule formation in sponges is useful in, the four options are asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, parthenogenesis, parthenocarpy. The right answer is A, asexual reproduction. Now question number 10. Budding is found in, the four options are scion, Hydra, fasciola and obelia. The right answer is Hydra. Now question number 11. Hydra reproduces by budding. This is an example of, the four options are regeneration, abnormal development, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. The right answer is C, asexual reproduction. Now question number 12. Which of the following propagates through leaf tips? The four options are walking fern, sprout leaf plant, Markensia, moss. The right answer is walking fern. That is A.